So this is what the Reynolds look like after the inside was painted white. Hello, son.
Hello.
It's from my YouTube channel. This works. Yeah. But yeah, everything here was painted white. Took like 4 days. So everything in here, like there, around there, is painted. This is white now. A lot of work, that's for sure. What's funny is that this is running off of I didn't bring my solar panel this time around, so this is all running off this 12 or 20 volt to 12 volt converter Black & Decker batteries. I bought a whole bunch of them, so I'll probably use one a day or something. These type of batteries. What's inside? There's Samsung battery cells inside. But yeah, that's the setup going forward, and that's all I got for you.